Namaskar dosto. Today is 10th August 2021. Welcome to my channel Trade Plan Nifty. This channel is my journey in stock market. In this specific video, on daily basis, I disclose my trade plan for the next trading session for Nifty, review my today's trade and share my learning and MTM at the end of the video. I hope these discussions will add value to your trade setup and trading ideas. Sorry, for last 2 days I was out and I didn't find any time to make video. Honestly speaking, I was not in position to take a trade, so I did not build a trade plan, hence no video. But I'm back again, and let's see how the markets are now currently looking. So before we get into Lalaji, let's have a look into our global market. So when we look into our global market, we see that S&P 500 is now hovering around at the top and still continuing his super bull run. So there is absolutely no problem on S&P 500. Although we see that it is getting little weak at the top. US government 10 bond yield is now rising up, but still at 1.33 and below 8 bar and 20. So still it is looking quite alright to me. And the dollar index is now rising up. So this is definitely not a good sign. And it has almost touched now 93 levels. So dollar index is definitely not looking good. And we should see some impact of that on Bank Nifty. And we see that Bank Nifty now has formed a week on daily chart basis, that is today. So this is the reversal pattern, uh, which I've discussed in my educational playlist, Engage Reversal Pattern 1, the week. The Reliance is also kind of forming a wick, but I would have preferred if this green was settled below. But it at least tried to go up, couldn't sustain, and bear took control. So Reliance is also above 20 and above 8 bar. So it is still not looking very strong. But let's see where it opens tomorrow. And HDFC Bank in particular is looking quite strong, and it is above 8 and above 20. It had a fantastic last week, and the up move is still continuing without any sign of weakness. So with that in background, let's have a look into our Lalaji. So when we look into Lalaji, we see that Lalaji on weekly chart last week had a fantastic up move where it broke magical level of 16,000, and now it has a very good support at 15,961, which is a combination of my black and a weekly L4. And now 8 bar moving average has come as close at 15,916. The next support is at 16,010 and then at 16,097. On top side, it has a now very good resistance at 16,379, and if 16,379 is broken, then the next target for Lalaji is at 16,521. On daily chart, we see that from last almost 4 trading session, it is running in a very narrow range and again getting into some kind of consolidation, with 8 bar moving average coming very close to weekly pivot of 16,141, which will definitely will now act as a very good support. And on top side, 16,351 is something which is finding difficult to break in or break out, but still above 8 and above 20. So it is in uptrend, and we see some sign of consolidation in a tight range between 6351 and 16,183 or 16,200 if one has to say, but definitely in uptrend. Now on 15-minute chart is where we see the impact of this consolidation, and we see that it has today closed below 20, below 50, but just above 8 bar moving average. So since it is below 20, we say that it is in downward direction, but I feel that it is consolidating. Now let's try to confirm this view with market profile. So when we look into market profile, there are two observations. The first observation is that tomorrow's market profile is above today's market profile. So definitely the trend is up. And the second observation is that tomorrow's market profile is extremely narrow pivot. So if you see here, the TC pivot and BC are almost the same, 16,280, 16,280, 16,281. So tomorrow could be a trend day. Now it all depends that where the market is going to open. So now when we look into SGX, we see that SGX is currently at 16255, so somewhere below pivot. So for tomorrow, my trade plan is option 1. If the open is below pivot, that is at 16280, then idea is to sell on rise, either at pivot, which is at 16280, or at H3, which is at 16323. 16323. So it's just above 20 bar moving average. For a target, first target of 16194, and if 16194 is taken out, which is a previous day low, closer to previous day low, then the next target could be 16140, which is a weekly pivot. In this week, Lalaji has still not touched the pivot, so there is a very good chance that it will make an attempt to come closer to pivot and will take a good support either at pivot or at 200 bar moving average and start moving up. So for tomorrow, the best trade scenario is sell on rise at 16 to 80 or at 16 323 for a first target of 16194, and if 16194 is gone, then 6141. Please consult your financial advisor before you take any trade. So I did not have any trade in past two trading session. So if you see here this week, I didn't have any trade. Friday was a bad day. I lost around 6,000 rupees. So almost August is now 3,000 rupees down. And was the learning from Friday is that on Friday I took lots of multiple trade. I get out, I came in, and I did lots of masti. But that's all right. So I hope these discussions are adding value to your trade setup and trading ideas. Stay healthy, wear mask. Jai Hind.